If you want to know how to do the pro level editing of your screen recording video, then you are in the right video, because today in this video I'm going to teach you the two best method so that your screen recording will look like a pro level editing. So if you want to know how to do it, watch this video till end. So moving towards our video, you have to open your app, and the app name is Kinemaster, and if you don't have it, you can download from Google Play Store. After you open it, you have to click on plus icon and select the aspect ratio is 16:9 because we are doing it for YouTube. So click on the media, and after that click on screen recording and select your screen recording and click OK, right? And this is going to be our background, so click on this icon, and here this the pan and zoom icon, so click on the equal button and you have to zoom it. And this is not only the background, this is going to be our background, so you can select any background as per your wish and adjust it. After that if it is look like this, then it is going to see something bad. So what you have to do is we have to blur it, so click on layer and click on basic effect and click on Gaussian blur and click it. So and look here, and this is simply right, look. And so what you have to do is we just have to increase this blur strength, and not only that, we also have to increase its size. So let's increase its strength. How much do you want as per your wish? I'm going to put it at 10. So I think at 10 it is going to look cool. So after you click here, then you can click on layer, click on media, select that screen recording video you want to make, and here you can increase its size, right, and rotate it as per your wish. So I'm going to increase its size a little bit, then click on OK. You have to crop it at open masking, and you have to open the shape, right, then click on here. It look like mobile shape, and now we have to add mobile frame. So to download mobile frame, I have already made video regarding it, through which you will be able to download a HD quality mobile frame. So adjust as per the size, how it layers, it look well fitted, so increase its length. So from where you want your video to be started, either from in the middle side, or if you want it to start from beginning, then you have to increase the video length. And if you want this video to start from the beginning, then tap on it and click to the equal size of beginning. So here we are. Now let's look how it look like our first trick to do video editing. So let's play it. Don't you think it looks really cool? Yes, this is really cool, yeah. And I think this is one of the pro level editing video. So now let's try to move towards our next tricks. And so this was it. So let's move to our next tricks, and let's bring our next tips. That is, to start, first you have to select any background. So let's say I'm going to select this background. You can select any beautiful background that you have downloaded, or any pictures that you think is beautiful, and this is going to suit your video. So I'm going to click on my screen recording, right, and after that I'm going to select the mobile frame, and I'm going to put a video at the end how to download it, how to download the mobile frame, so you can watch it from there. So click on that screen recording video, and you have to click on cropping and open max, and you have to click on save, and then you have to click on this shape because this is the mobile frame shape. So now adjust it as per your adjust it as per your wish. So now let's increase its size, or if not needed, then click on how much you know. This is a trim, so and to make it a perfect editing, you have to make your shape equal. So let's see how it look like. Or if you think this is a small size, then you can even increase its size. So I'm going to increase the size a little bit more. Yes, I think this is good. So let's look it from beginning how it look like. So create as per as your requirement. Yes, I think this is cool video. So look, it's really looking good, and you can even add text. Yes, you can even your channel name. You can even add your channel here, your channel name, right? And you can even select that looks good, and you can say anything. You can write here subscribe to our channel or anything, and it looks really good. And if you want to edit length, you can do it from here. So this is really a good cool feature here. So this is how you do the screen recording in the Kinemaster in a pro level. So this was it for today's video, and if you want to export it, then you have to click on this third button here, first, second, third, this, and click here. So you can export it any frame rate and any resolution or bitrate. Higher the bitrate, higher the size will be. So then export it, and after wait for a while, then it is going to be export, and the time will take. So this is how we do the editing in a pro level, and these are the 2 tips that you can use to edit your video. So for today, I want to end this video here. So thank you for watching this video. See you soon in my next tutorial.